Good morning, student. So today topic is a token. What do you know about the token? In a Python, a token small is a small individual unit in a program is known as a token, and we also known as a lexical unit. Okay, that means the token is a small individual unit in a program. In a program, is token is like a small individual units, then and also known as a lexical unit. Okay, then let's take one example like hi double comma hello bird, how are you? Okay, so the here is a the token is in an English sentence. The whole sentence is a token, but in here two types of token. The first is word like hi, hello, word, how are you? That is a word. Okay, and second is a punctuation character like this. This is the punctuation dot comma apostrophe s. So that means the English whole sentence is called a tokens. Now we take a one example of Python. We clearly know about the tokens. We have to take a one variable and value. We have to take a variable is name and the value is arya. And second variable will take age is equal to 19. ठीक, and 30 is a contribution. We have to take as like an example 72.75. Okay, so now we have to I am telling you about your tokens. So here is the arya is a string value or string literal. We also know that the value is also known as a literal. Okay, then and second is the age number and number, that this is the integer value. Okay, and third is contribution is 72.75, and this is the we know that our floating value. So here we have to know about the tokens. Now we print name comma is age has contribution. Okay, and contribution we have to print that. Okay, when we have to print the this is a printer a arya, age is 19, name arya, age is 19, and 72.75 contribution. Now here is a telling about the token. This is also we know about the keyword. The print is a keyword, and now tokens name, age, has contribution. This is a word. This is a word token. As we say that here, the word and punctuation. That is a punctuation token. Okay, clear? So now I am telling about the types of token. There are some types of token. There are the 5 types of token. First is a keyword. Second is a identifier, and we know that the identifier is like a name. Third one is a literals. Also that before he said, I tell you, literal is a value. Fourth is a operator, and fifth is punctuator. Okay, so we start the first. What is a keyword token? As in that keyword like a special word. Keyword like a special word means keyword is a word having a special meaning that is reserved by a programming language. That means when programming language is developed, they also reserve some keywords. That's some words. That is known as a keyword. Okay, like keywords. Also, Python given lots of keywords by default keywords. We have to know about the false, none, class, def, etc. In a next topic, I am telling about the keywords clearly. What is the keywords? What is the chart of the keywords? Lots of the keywords, and I'm right now I'm telling you just briefly what is the keywords in simply words. And there are the keywords has some rules. So rules is like they are not used as a identifier. इनको आप identifier का use नहीं कर सकते. We cannot use the identifier. We cannot use as a variable. We cannot use as a constant. Okay. In the next topic, when we have to tell you about the keywords, I will make a video for keywords. Only topic is the keywords. Okay. Then second is the identifier. As I am writing here the name. That means हो गया identifier is used for only naming of class, function, variable and a constant. Okay, the identifier has also the two types. There is a variable and constant. And in identifier have also rules. Means rules is associated with the identifier should be in lowercase, should be in uppercase, and can be in a both mix. And this is not should be with the number. Means identifier will never cannot be used start with a number. Keywords and length more than the 79 characters. Okay. Okay, the topic is finished. Thank you. In the next topic, I am telling about the all tokens individually.